Welcome back on Luca's World Adventures. Today, we found another woodpecker. For the past few days, we did find woodpeckers and woodpecker-type things. But today, we found the pileated woodpecker, one of the most known woodpeckers, not by name, but mostly by when you see it. The pileated woodpecker, scientific name is Dryocopis pileatus. The family's Piccidae, and it lives in most of North America and mostly in the eastern half. Not so much in the western. It does stretch in Canada to the western. And adults are 40 to 49 centimeters, 16 to 19 inches long. The span is 66 to 75 centimeters, 26 to 30 inches. That's a long wingspan. The weight is 250 to 400 grams, 8.8 to 14.1 ounces. This is for the adult weight. That's a lot of grams. And with an average weight of 300 grams, measures 21.4 to 25.3 centimeters, 8.4 to 10 inches. Woodpeckers eat fruit, seeds, and bugs that they find in the tree in the picture that you see right now. So that's mainly it. That is it. So bye. See ya next time.